Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. I am Isha and in this video I am addressing one commonly asked Power BI question, which is there any way you can freeze any of the visuals on your dashboard? So the answer is yes, you can do so using edit interactions. Let's see how we can do that. Say I have three visuals on this dashboard and the pie chart shows the customers count by gender, column shows customer count by location, and the KPI card shows the count for the satisfaction category. Least satisfied customers has count 50 and likewise. So say I want this KPI card to stay as it is. Basically it should show the total number and not slice and dice data as per the visuals or the filters I am applying. And see how I can do so. Say if I want this column chart not to interact with this KPI card, I'll use the edit interaction feature to do that. Currently if I am selecting any of the location, accordingly the number gets filtered. But to stop doing so, I'll select this visual. As soon as this visual appears, you will see an option of format. Go to that and click on this edit interaction. When I click on this edit interaction, you will see that on other visuals, this small icons start appearing. You can click the circle icon on the visuals that you don't want to interact with this selected visual, which is column chart in my case. See, if I click on this, the edit interactions will not allow you to will not allow these two visuals to interact now. So if I change my location, if you can see that pie chart number is changing accordingly, but the KPI numbers stay as it is. And in case you want to remove it, just select this, go to format and then click again on edit interaction. Let's try doing it with one more example. Say I select this pie chart. I don't want this pie chart to interact with this column chart. I'll go to format, edit interactions, and you will see these two icons appearing. I'll just highlight this one. And now if I filter my pie chart, the column chart stays as it is. It shows the total value but not what the filter criteria has been applied in the pie chart. Also, if you see, there are two other options showing up. One is filter, another is highlight. In case I want to remove this non-interaction of the chart, I will select either highlight or filter. So say if I apply the criteria of male here, the data is now getting filtered as per the criteria of male in each location. If I select highlight, the visual changes in this format. So depending upon your usability, you can choose either of the two. So this is the video for edit interactions. I hope you guys find it useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.